Hello world, autosearch.lol is an advanced AI web search. How to build an AI application that has 1 billion users in 2 years. And it will break it down into intermediate subqueries that then will be used to search Exa and come up with 10 results. And then they are summarized and used to compose an answer. The answer is improved for each of the subqueries. Check it out at autosearch.lol. The results are here, and covers all the information that was discovered. So these are the intermediate steps of all of the subqueries that were used. And this is the synthesis of all the results of the subqueries. It's recommending leveraging Google's experience, targeting the next billion users, linking here to a blog article, subqueries which have a lot of information about answering the subqueries. So this is using all of the wealth of the internet to answer your question. So that's autosearch.lol. Check it out, it's live.